Starting around the 14th of June 2023, Theta organization really is exchanging at 65 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.03% in sort of most recent 60-minute. Fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta explicitly has a for the most part complete market cap of $645,337,429 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,527,128 in an unpretentious manner. This in every way that really matters makes Theta organization genuinely positioning at 57 in the digital money market, which by and large is very critical. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2023. What will Theta organization essentially be by and large worth in 2023, which generally is genuinely critical? Is Theta organization an especially wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, or so they by and large thought? Will Theta cost fundamentally outperform its unequaled especially high in a genuinely huge manner? These in every way that really matters are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, which in a real sense is very huge. Theta organization value expectation 2023 as per the Theta organization gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Theta cost is supposed to in every way that really matters cross a very normal value level of 83 cents, the normal by and large least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the especially current year ought to especially be 80 cents, which generally is very critical. Besides, Theta can for the most part arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest value level of 89 cents, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta organization value expectation June 2023. The cost for Theta organization in June 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 61 cents and 69 cents in a quite huge manner, while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around 67 cents, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Theta organization value figure July 2023. In July 2023, the sort of most extreme cost for Theta organization could stretch around 73 cents, or so they thought. Besides, the minimum cost of Theta in July 2023 explicitly is 66 cents with an essentially normal cost of 69 cents. Showing that Theta organization value expectation June 2023. The cost for Theta organization in June 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 61 cents and 69 cents. For the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta organization value expectation August 2023. Theta organization cost basically is supposed to sort of reach between 69 cents to 75 cents in August 2023, while the very normal cost of Theta for the August certainly remains around 71 cents THETA value. Conjecture September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Theta organization for the most part is supposed to by and large arrive at a sort of least value worth of 71 cents, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Theta cost could really arrive at an especially greatest cost of 78 cents with the extremely normal cost around 74 cents, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Theta organization value gauge October 2023. The Theta organization cost for October 2023 may basically arrive at an in every practical sense least worth of 73 cents, while the exceptionally greatest determined cost in a real sense is around 82 cents. The really normal cost for Theta essentially is somewhat anticipated to in every practical sense reach 76 cents in October 2023 in an unobtrusive way. Theta organization value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Theta organization truly is supposed to generally be at around a very least of 76 cents. So moreover, the minimum cost of Theta in July 2023 generally is 66 cents with a very normal cost of 69 cents, exhibiting that Theta organization value expectation June 2023. The cost for Theta organization in June 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 61 cents and 69 cents, which by and large is very critical. Theta organization cost can arrive at a limit of 85 cents with the typical cost of 80 cents in USD, or so they really thought. Theta value gauge December 2023. The Theta organization conjecture for December 2023 expects that the Theta might arrive at a very greatest worth of 89 cents with a truly least cost of around 80 cents, or so they really thought. Discussing the especially normal value Theta can in a real sense stretch around 83 cents for December, or so they generally thought. Theta organization fundamentally passed value examination in the specific beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been especially diminished by 1.86% in its extremely current worth, which certainly is very critical. In the event that we explicitly look at the by and large current market cap of the Theta with yesterday, you can truly see that the market cap certainly is likewise down, exhibiting how Theta Organization Value Estimate October 2023. The Theta Organization cost for October 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at any rate worth of 73 cents, while the kind of most extreme determined cost basically is around 82 cents, which is genuinely critical. Theta Organization in a real sense is confronting an extremely tough time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins, or so they sort of thought. The Theta is down to nearly 16.61% in the absolute most recent 7 days, or so they sort of thought. The coin by and large is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for past essentially couple of days. The coin could essentially have in every practical sense solid basics at the same time. We don't in every practical sense believe that it would a productive resource in truly present moment, exhibiting that this especially makes Theta Organization exceptionally positioning at 57 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta truly diminished by 44.271%, killing an incredible kind of normal amount of 51 cents from its certainly current worth, which explicitly is genuinely huge. This unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a genuinely decent basically purchase a potential open door for in every way that really matters. Speedy speculation. The 90 days cost change is near 38.77%, and the cost commonly coursed from a sort of least kind of typical cost of 97 cents to essentially most extreme normal cost of $1.06 in the very beyond 90 days, or so they especially thought. Theta Organization truly is somewhere near 14.41%, with the greatest sort of typical cost of the coin fundamentally was around 78 cents, and the genuinely least essentially normal cost of truly was around 76 cents in every practical sense. Recent months, showing how this unexpected down truly implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a kind of good certainly purchase an open door for kind of speedy interest in a really significant manner. Theta Organization Value Estimate 2023 FAQs. What will truly be Theta Organization really worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The Theta cost basically is estimated to for the most part arrive at an extremely greatest degree of 89 cents with genuinely least cost of 80 cents toward the finish of 2023. Does Theta Organization by and large have a future, which generally is very huge? As far as value, Theta Organization for the most part has an exceptional in every practical sense potential to arrive at new levels, which truly is very critical. It truly is gauged that Theta will increment in esteem. So assuming you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Theta Organization cost expectation end of 2023, what will Theta Organization be genuinely worth in 2023, which essentially is very critical, as per especially unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Theta Organization can sort of stir things up around town, the greatest cost of $4.14 till 2030, showing that as far as value, Theta Organization truly has an extraordinary extremely potential to generally arrive at new levels, or so they sort of thought. Is Theta Organization essentially worth purchasing?